Welcome back. Today, we're diving into the top 5 kitchen gadgets under $30 that people are loving in 2025. These are affordable, useful, and might just make your kitchen life a whole lot easier. Stick around until the end. You might find your next favorite gadget. And as always, check the video description for the latest prices and product links. Number 5. Zulli Kitchen Milk Frother Wand. If you love lattes or cappuccinos, this milk frother is a game changer. It whips milk into foam in seconds and works with any kind of milk. The handheld design makes it portable, and it's powered by AA batteries. You can also use it for mixing matcha, protein drinks, or even whisking eggs. Super versatile and super affordable. Number 4. The Grip Jar Opener. If you've ever struggled opening a jar, this tool is a must-have. It mounts discreetly under your cabinet and works like magic. Just place the jar and twist. It grips automatically. Great for seniors or anyone with limited hand strength. Plus, it works with almost any jar size. Number 3. Kitchen Gizmo Snap and Strain. Say goodbye to bulky colanders. This silicone clip-on strainer fits directly onto pots and pans, letting you strain pasta, veggies, and more without needing to transfer contents. It's heat-resistant, dishwasher-safe, and saves serious drawer space. Number 2. Spring Chef Magnetic Measuring Spoons. This set of magnetic stainless steel measuring spoons stays together, so you'll never lose one again. Dual-sided for wet and dry ingredients, and they lay flat for easy filling. A small design upgrade that makes a big difference in daily cooking. Number 1. Rapid Egg Cooker, 6 egg capacity. Make soft, medium, or hard-boiled eggs with the press of a button. It also makes omelets and poached eggs. It's compact, fast, and perfect for meal prep or busy mornings. One of the most loved and reviewed kitchen gadgets under $30. Which one of these would you use the most in your kitchen? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe because more budget-friendly gadgets are coming soon in part 2. And again, all the Amazon links are in the description. Check them out for the latest prices and details.